Hey friend, in this video I'm trying to show you how to download and install Purple Player IPTV on Amazon Fire Stick and Android TV box. Before starting the video, if you need any IPTV subscription you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First of all, open the downloader app and put that code 115304 in the search bar. Just wait for 5 seconds. After that, Purple Player IPTV is automatically downloading. Wait for it to download. Before downloading, I want to tell you something. If you are looking for reliable IPTV service, you are in the right place. I will give you the IPTV service at affordable prices. My service has 20,000 worldwide live channels, 20,000 movies and 5,000 series. After downloading Purple Player, install and open it. After opening the press on TV, select your language and accept the terms of service. Now press on login. After that, press on login with Extreme URL. Now you need a username, password and URL to watch IPTV on it. So put your username and password. If you don't have a username, password and URL, then contact me on WhatsApp. I will give you an IPTV subscription. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.